Hey guys, and welcome to Davos video. Today we're going to be going over how to bold your text. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to use Control-Shift-Space, get into Editor, and scroll down to this bold section here. Remember, when you want to create headers, you can use the header button here, or simply type in your plus signs. We're doing 2 plus signs because all of these headers are subordinate to our WikidPad reference header. And the HR code here creates lines to help us keep track and organize our progress. All right, so in order to bold something, you're going to place an asterisk on either side of the text, okay? Or you can hit Control B, okay? So this is pretty simple, right? When you want to bold something, you go ahead and you put an asterisk on either side. So for me, that's going to be Shift 8. You can see here, it's already trying to bold this phrase because it sees 2 asterisks. I only want to bold just this one word, so I'm going to put another asterisk here, Shift 8 for me. Boom, you can see that it's marginally darker here, okay? Or, as we said, we can hit Control B. So here I want to make this bold. I'm going to hit Control B. Okay, and you can see that the program puts in your asterisks on either side of the word for you. Now if we go back into preview, Control-Shift-Space, and we scroll down, voila, there we have, our text is bolded. You can see here that the single asterisk just operates as a single asterisk because it doesn't identify with any other asterisks. It doesn't see anything else to bold. All right, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.